Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable Dolby Audio Processing on a JVC Smart TV. To do this, first we'll need to click on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen, scroll down and select Device Preferences. Then scroll down again and select the sound. Now we can find the Dolby Audio Processing, click on it, and then you'll be able to enable or disable it. When it's enabled, you can find sound mode and switch between game, movie, music, news, stadium, smart, or a user. If you decide on a user, you'll be able to adjust all of the settings manually, and you can find those settings below right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.